If you don't believe me, it's windy as hell. Look at the trees just buck. Everything is blowing. You can hear it, see it. Everything bucking across the ground. So yeah, I'm not doing much today. Yeah, I don't know if you want to see me, but this is me out here in this damn weather. Yeah, that's Minnesota for you. Never know what you're gonna get. You never know. You never know what you're gonna get in Minnesota. But all right. Everything is just weird. Yeah, it's a very, very windy day out today. Very windy. I was gonna take the Suzuki out today, but not in this wind. But I'm gonna fire it up and see how the battery's doing, and I'm gonna give you a sound. I'm gonna put this on the ground in a minute and see if you, because I've never done a sound check on it from the back. So okay, I'll do that in a second. GoPro stay there. Still haven't got my plates and tabs for it yet. You don't sound too bad though. I'll give you another view. Wait till people get inside. That sounds good. God, 87 octane gas smells horrible. That's when it gets old. People look at my mileage. Should we see how many miles I got on there? 10,907 miles as of right now. Not too bad. Well, that's just a short video of me coming out to my garage on a windy, cold ass day. Probably take out the e-bike later. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I love this Suzuki. I do. It's a beautiful bike. Needs a bath. Need to get a rear seat for it. Alright, bye.